So today we'll be making roasted chicken. I'll say the healthiest way to eat chicken. So I've got the chicken ready and now I'm moving on to the marination. For that I'm taking 10 tablespoons of curd. I'll also add chopped green chillies, some sliced garlic, mint leaves, and you can even add coriander leaves. So I'm adding it to the curd. I'll also add lemon juice to it. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of pepper. Salt to taste. And mix it. So I'll be adding this to our chicken to marinate our chicken. So gently we'll marinate our chicken. We'll have to stuff it all over. Now we'll leave our chicken to marinate for approximately 2 hours. Lastly, we'll add 2 tablespoons of oil. So I'm roasting my chicken in an earthen oven, as you all can see. You all can use an oven or even a pan. You can roast the chicken in a pan. So yeah, thanks for watching. Comment below what recipes you all want next, and also check out our other recipes. I'll give it in the description box. So yeah, bye. Thanks for watching.